Another question I hear often is, what happens if my food safety records are incomplete? The short answer is that inspectors treat missing records as missing control. Hi, I'm Felicia Liu, your food safety consultant, helping food businesses understand and meet food safety requirements and pass their audit. When records are incomplete, late, or missing, inspectors cannot verify that controls were in place, even if the work was actually done. Records are evidence that your food safety system is working. This often leads to non-conformances, increased inspection frequency, or deeper reviews of your system. The key is not having more records, but having the right records completed accurately and on time. When records match daily operations, inspections are far less stressful. The takeaway is simple. If it is not documented, inspectors assume it did not happen. We are happy to help you. Simply book a call with me using the link in the description or give me a call at 1-236-513-2488.